In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive your payout from Whop. This is a quick and straightforward process, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment to complete. If you've earned money on Whop and you're ready to move those funds out, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it in a simple, easy to follow way. To begin, head over to the Whop homepage and make sure you're signed into your account. Starting from the home area is helpful because it gives you access to the main navigation and lets you quickly find your financial settings. If you're already logged in, you should be able to see your regular dashboard or home feed right away. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right-hand corner of the screen. There, you'll see your balances section. Go ahead and click on All Balances. This area is where Whop shows you the money associated with your account, and opening it gives you a clearer view of what's available. If you manage multiple balances or simply want to confirm the amount before cashing out, this is the place to do it. After that, you'll be taken to the Finance or Balances area. From here, look for the Withdraw button and click it. This is the action that starts the payout process. Once selected, Whop will guide you through the withdrawal flow based on the payout options available on your account. As a helpful tip, before you withdraw, it's always a good idea to double check that your payout method is already set up correctly and that your available balance is ready to be withdrawn. If a withdrawal option doesn't appear immediately, it could simply mean there's a pending balance or that your account setup still needs to be completed. In that case, review your finance settings and make sure everything is in order. And that's it. To receive your payout from Whop, you just go to the home page, click on All Balances in the top right, and then click Withdraw. It's a short process, but knowing exactly where these options are can save you time and make managing your earnings much easier. Thanks for watching, and if you're following along, you should now be ready to receive your payout from Whop with confidence.